Okay, to take a look at the ALTOCRAFT Cordless Power Cleaner Kit. So this is the tool. We have a very nice rubberized grip here on the top. Looks like we got our charging port right there. It is USB-C. We got our power switch on the front and a threaded drive. We got a couple of attachments. So this one is just a full-on bristle brush attachment. Nice strong bristles on that as well, so that's going to be able to do a lot of scrubbing. And then we got our pad holder. So this is hook and loop material and threaded on the other side. So let's go ahead and drop that in. Then we got a handful of different styles of cleaning material. So this is a nice abrasive material right here. This is going to be really good for breaking up stuff that is just kind of stuck on. We have a more aggressive style of the same thing, so if you got something that's really jammed on, you can use that. And then this one is closer to a polishing pad. So all we have to do is stick that on. I do like that it actually covers over the edges, so in the event that you need to kind of press it down on the edges, you don't have to worry about that damaging the holder. So it looks like we just have one speed, but that is really all that you need with a tool like this. Then we have our charging cable. This is a USB-C to USB-A. And then the last thing is the instructions. There we go. Wow, that worked really well. So yeah, that is a pretty awesome tool.